Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the dash illumination issue on the new generation Saab 900 and original 9.3. This is my new Saab 900 project car, and it's having an issue with the lights where when you turn on the car in the dark, you only see the dash illuminate briefly. Let me show you what I mean. So this is a pretty common issue on these cars, and really it's just the dimmer switch with a bad connection there. So I'm going to show you how to replace that. It's probably an easy 10-minute job. All we're going to need to do this is a T25 Torx bit, a 10mm socket, a little ratchet for those guys, a trim removal tool with this kind of tab, maybe a small flathead screwdriver, and of course your replacement dimmer switch. Now if you have a new generation 900 like mine, you're going to have a long dimmer switch like this, and then if you have a original 9.3, it's going to be a shorter unit, but the process is the same. The best way to access the dimmer switch without causing any damage is to remove this kick plate. So first we're going to take off the fuse box door. Very simple. And then using our T25, we're going to start by removing these 5 screws that are located underneath the dash and behind that fuse door. And then underneath and the 6th T25, which is attached to the bottom of the fuse box. And the good news is that all 6 of the T25 screws are actually the same size, so you don't have to worry about which order they go. Now we can remove the 10mm socket from underneath the fuse box. And with that out, just be sure to retain the washer that's with that. There are also 2 plastic tabs at the back that you can use your plastic trim tool like this to get behind and pull down. One is right behind the brake pedal, and the other is right behind the hood latch and kind of right here. Hard to see. So this is everything that we've taken out of the dash, the bolt and the 2 retaining clips. And now that they're all out, we can start pulling down on the sill to get it out of the way. So once the kick sill is down just a few inches like this, and you've kind of pulled it off of the fuses, you can actually reach your hand up underneath here and feel the dimmer switch. And then you're just gonna grab it and really push it out. And it might take a second, but you can see it starting to wiggle. There we go. So now with it out of the dash, we just need to unplug it from the connector. There are a couple of tabs on here, so I find it helpful just to get a small flathead screwdriver and very carefully pull back one of these tabs to disconnect it. That'll just come off, and then we can grab our replacement unit and plug that in. And that'll just snap into place. Now before we reassemble, let's test everything and see if that issue I showed you earlier comes back. All right, we have dash illumination, so it was a faulty dimmer switch. So installation is the exact reverse of earlier. This literally just slides right back into place like that. And now we can start moving all of this back up. Okay, and once it's snug on its clips like this, we can start putting those 6 screws back into place. And now I'll tighten those down. Then we've got the under dash ones here. And the 6th under dash. Next, we're going to reinstall our bolt in here with our 10mm ratchet. I'd like to just get started by hand as well. All right, now that that's snug, we're going to put in the retaining clips back here and back here. All right, that seems to have done the trick. I hope that was easy for you and you enjoyed. Good luck finding these online. I got mine on eBay, but they do pop up in junkyards from time to time for about $20 to $30, and I'll leave the link to everything that you need below. Thanks again.